Hello, it's Davita. Welcome back to Abstract and Flow. I am back to do another presentation for you. Today's presentation is all about the pearl pour. The cells, the clouds, the pearls. Yeah. Same old, same old. So, I'm only going to use one color tonight. Deep Violet by Liquitex. That's what I'm using. This is it. And the reason that I'm only using one color is because I did a picture using that color and it pearled up tremendously. I mean, it was okay, I can't sing, but you know, it was a hug. It was one of those moments. But the canvas that I did that one on was like 10 by 10. So, I broke out a 24 by 24 canvas. Yeah, we're going to try it. We're going to try to get that same reaction on this larger canvas. So, here's the test tile. And here's the canvas. Now, you and I know. You and I know what we get on the tile, we never get on the canvas. But we're going to try. So I'm going to pan the camera down. We're going to cross our fingers and our toes. And let's see what happens. Okay. Be right back. So, here we go. Now, do I know exactly what the outcome is going to be? I do not. But you do see that the base coat is very fluid. And the deep violet is very, very fluid. So we're going to give it a go. Fingers crossed. I don't normally cover the base on camera, but I am tonight. And pray that I have enough paint. Okay, let's torch it a little bit. And let's move it around. And we got good movement. Okay. Now I'm going to add the deep violet. want to add a very wide ribbon. And we're going to torch that. We got good movement here. And we're going to try to get a composition that that we like. Down. Sorry, I'm out of camera, but this canvas is a little larger if I go this way. Now, what I'm thinking is, because I used, you know, for the size of this canvas, less paint, the less paint you have, the more you have to stretch it. If you have a little bit of paint, you can stretch it more, basically, is what I'm saying. If you fill your canvas up with paint, then you're just not going to get a good composition, nor are you going to get any negative space if that's what you're looking for. So the less paint you have, the more you can stretch it, and the more you are likely to get a nice, I'm sorry, I'm talking and trying to think at the same time. The nice pearls that you want, because we already know the more we stretch, the thinner the paint is on the canvas, which is a better reaction to produce your pearls. That's what I'm trying to say. So let's go ahead and torch this and see what happens. Okay. So far, so good, I think. Now, when I did the tile, Okay. It's been about 30 minutes. And it has not changed too much more. And I'm not even mad at it. You know why? Because those pearls are the exact same size as this tile. Exactly. So, finally, I got what was on here on the canvas. Yay me. So let's look at that. Let's compare. Okay. So, tile, canvas. Exactly, right? Okay. So no. I'm not even mad. I asked for it, right? I asked for what was on the tile to be on the canvas. That's what it gave me. So, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for tuning in. I want to give a shout out to some people I consider very supportive of my channel. We have a young lady from the UK named Miss Ruth Bond. We have a young lady goes by B Man, Janice S, Paulette H, Christine Z, and Miss Teresa. Thank you for the gift. Really appreciated that. So these young ladies are very supportive. They comment all the time. I'm sure a lot of you do, because I do see repeat names. But I don't know, I just have conversations with these ladies, and I really appreciate that. I have over 1,000 subscribers now. Yay! Thank you. Didn't think when I started this channel, you know, I just wanted to post what I was doing and, you know, share. So, really appreciate the support. So that's all I got tonight, y'all. I'm going to hit the hay because it's late. So, thank you so much for tuning in and viewing my content. I like the way I really do. I like the way, excuse me, I really like the way it turned out. I got a halfway decent composition this time. It's not going diagonal. Yay. So, yeah. Stay safe out there. Stay blessed. See you next pour. Bye.